So hey guys, good morning y'all. You see your girl in her naughty nights. I'm about to take my coffee. I got my Delgado coffee. You know we sell coffee as well, not just tea. So I got my Delgado coffee. This is a slimming coffee, y'all. So if you know you coffee drinkers and you like, Starbucks and all that stuff, get you some slimming coffee. This coffee tastes really good. Personally, I wasn't really a coffee head, but I kind of became one since I've been taking my Delgado Slimming coffee. So this coffee also helps you lose weight. So if you think about going to the store and buying regular coffee, think again. We here at TLC sell coffee so you can get the benefits of having a nice coffee in the morning. Also get a benefit of losing some weight, slimming down. So I got my coffee, I got my hot water, and I got my chaga. I mix my chaga inside my coffee. If you don't know what chaga is, this is really, really good for boosting your immune system, y'all. This comes with 90 capsules, so this is like a 3-month supply. So this is really good. It's a Siberian mushroom chaga. This is good for boosting your immune system, keep you nice and healthy, and it's also like a superfood. So I mix it in my coffee just so I can take all that one shot. And yeah, y'all. So how are you guys doing? Happy Friday, y'all. Let me show you. Mix it in my water. And then I take a capsule and just open it. Like so. So happy Friday, y'all. Hope you guys had an awesome week. This week was amazing. Super, super amazing, y'all. Don't mind, I got the window open. It is raining like crazy here in New York City, but it's alright. I love the rain. And I just mix it. So this week has been a phenomenal week, y'all. I mean, my team is ranking up like crazy. Everybody in, TLC, their teams are ranking up, hitting director, apprentice, regional, rising star. Like, it's just amazing because the momentum is so high right now. A lot of people are joining at the right, perfect time, y'all. This is why I always say time and positioning is everything. If you get in at a certain time, you will start to reap the benefits of what everybody is doing. You know what I mean? This is toothpaste as well we have. Listen, y'all, we got everything here at TLC, okay? So I don't have to go nowhere and buy it from nowhere. I like my essential oils. I got my essential oils. We got soap. We got toothpaste. This is called Lucida toothpaste. It's a whitening toothpaste. It's charcoal. So it's black. And I like it. It makes my teeth feel nice and pearly. So I use my toothpaste, y'all. So this stuff, this company is truly awesome and amazing. And you already know, I got my NutriBurst. I gotta take my NutriBurst before anything. I take it on an empty stomach. Yeah, so this is cute, right? I got me a little Nutri shot glass. TLC is dope, y'all. So I'm gonna take me a shot, y'all. A shot of Nutra. That's good. Ooh. That is good, y'all. Go get your NutriBurst. Stop playing. Stop playing. Get that NutriBurst, y'all. It's the best vitamin I've ever had. And I know you probably think, oh, you saying that because you sell it. Honestly, no. If you guys know me, I never took a vitamin a day in my life. I tried when I went to, GNC to get little pills and stuff. But I always felt weird about pills. One, because I'm not a good pill popper, like swallowing. And two, I know you don't get the full benefit. So had I been introduced to this like 6 years ago, I'd have been taking it. So I just want to, share the good news and encourage you guys to get on the NutriBurst and the chaga, y'all. These two right here will keep your immune system amazing, okay? And it's not about waiting until you get something wrong with you guys. It's either you're going to invest in the illness of your health or the wellness. And I would prefer the wellness. Don't wait till you get ill to be like, all right, what can I do now? All of these products are pretty much preventatives. You know what I mean? To prevent you from getting something. Or if you may already have something, it could possibly help you. You know what I mean? As far as like, high blood pressure and, being overweight and just gut issues. Now, we don't claim to cure or mitigate anything, but I'm just saying, if you took the time to detox your body, cleanse your body from all the bad stuff that you've been putting in it for years and put the good stuff back in, you'd be surprised what will happen, y'all. Seriously. You'd be surprised, y'all. So even if you don't want to join the business, you may just ain't got time to, you know, make money or join the business, which we have plenty of time. Go get you some NutriBurst. Get on the products, y'all. Get on the detox tea, because it's just about overall health, y'all. You know, rest in peace to Fred the Godson. He died yesterday. Sad news, you know what I mean? He was a good dude. You know, yesterday was my fiance's Elton's birthday. So he got the news on his birthday. He was upset because he liked him and things like that. But it's just like, guys, I think he died from the COVID-19. He was in there fighting for like 2 weeks. It's crazy because he just put a picture up April 6th saying, you know, pray for me, I'm fighting this thing. And then yesterday he just died. So guys, you are here today and you are going today. The security guard in my building, he was a nice Jamaican guy. Short, you know, nice, always friendly, this and that. And he died. Apparently, I think from food poisoning, from buying something from the store. I mean, that's what they say, he died from food poisoning. But I'm like, wow, I just seen this man. You know what I mean? So listen, y'all. You are literally here today. You are gone today. So don't take these days lightly. I looked up and it's already April 23rd. Today's the 24th. But time is really going by. So, you know, it's just crazy, y'all. So, and now we on this, you know, lockdown, pandemic. It's just so sad. That's why I don't watch the news, because I try to keep my mind out of it. I just try to focus on my business and my family and helping people, because it's just too much going on. You can put a little almond milk in here if you like, in your coffee. A little creamer, but nothing too crazy, you know what I mean? So I'm just grateful for TLC, y'all. You know what I mean? Just because TLC has changed me as a person, y'all. And when I say, like, becoming an entrepreneur is more than just making money. Becoming an entrepreneur is about literally personal development. When you become an entrepreneur, you have to personally develop yourself, because it's all a mindset. You can't want to make all these millions and live rich and all that stuff if your mindset is still broke, y'all. So this is why it's important to do personal development. Really figure out what it is that you want. Write it down. Look at it. Write the vision and make it plain, so you can see exactly what you want, so you can see what do I have to do to accomplish that. So being an entrepreneur is more than just money. It's about personal development overall. And I really became a different kind of person since being an entrepreneur, y'all, for like the last 2 years. Yes, of course you're gonna have your ups and downs and things like that, but quitting is not gonna make the process any faster. If I quit today, it's gonna just slow me back, way back. You know what I mean? So this is why you have to trust your process. You have to be confident in yourself and believe in what you're doing, and just know every step that you take is a step closer towards your dreams. Every seed that you plant is a seed closer towards your dreams. So a seed could be anything. As far as in TLC, the more people you talk to, those are seeds being planted. The more people you sample out to, those are seeds being planted. You know, the more posts you put on social media, the more videos you put on YouTube, the more videos you put on your social media page and things like that. Those are all seeds being planted. You know what I mean? You may not get the harvest right away, but eventually it will come when you least expect it. You know what I mean? So trust yourself, trust the process, and just enjoy the journey, y'all. Because when you look back, when you nice and you know you rich, and rich ain't gotta mean millions of dollars, but you rich and you know you're comfortable. You got some money in your bank account that you ain't had before. You good in your mind, your health, your body, your soul, your family, your spirit, everything. When you nice and rich and you comfortable, you're gonna look back like, wow, that was me. Like I really pulled through this thing. You know what I mean? So just believe in yourself, y'all. I'm grateful for TLC because they make it so easy for the average person who was nothing to become something. And you become a part of a community that shows you love. The energy is so freaking real with TLC. Like every day, I don't know what other company goes live every single day for their team, for their business, just to do lives, give away prizes, give away money. Like I told you, TLC is giving away a stimulus check every day. They're giving away daily pay, double. You know, say if you get paid $100 today, if your name gets chosen, you're gonna get paid another $100. So TLC is truly changing the game, breaking records every single week, y'all. So this is why I talk so highly of TLC, because it has did something for me internally. You know what I mean? And I want to put other serious people on, because this energy is something that you don't want to miss. The momentum is really, really high right now. This is why now is the perfect time to get in. Momentum it's like seasons when momentum comes. You know what I mean? It's not going to be forever, but it comes every now and then. So right now in this particular time, the momentum is through the roof, y'all. So this is why I encourage you guys to get started. Don't worry about not knowing everything right now and all that stuff. Just get in, lock your spot, and get binary qualified. And once you get in, we'll guide you, I'll guide you the way, show you the ropes so you know exactly what to do. This is an easy business, you know what I mean? You just got to be, like, I wasn't a people person for a while back in the day. I was like, oh, people get on my nerves and I want to talk to people. But over the years and the time, I had to grow and go through some stuff and learn. So now it's like we all need people. We all need each other. People need people, you know what I mean? So you kind of have to be a people person. You know what I mean? You got to talk to people. This is a product-based business, so you got to talk to people about what it is that you have. You know what I mean? And we have something that everybody needs. Everybody needs a vitamin, period. Everybody needs detox, period, okay? So all you got to do is just talk to people. You know what I mean? And now is the time to get in, y'all. Seriously. This is something you don't want to miss, because come next year, you get started today. By next year, you will have yourself well, first of all, we're already $1 million business. First of all, I don't know where you could start $1 million business for $50, y'all. Think about that. You invest $50 to $150 to make 10 times more than that. Also to be a part of $1 million business, y'all. Some people, y'all got to stop thinking about what you're spending up front. You need to think about the return on your investment, the long term as well as short term return on your investments, guys. I don't know about y'all, but I will give up $150 any day to make $500 a week, $1,000 a week. So you gotta think like that, y'all. Don't just think about, damn, that's $50 and I gotta get a product. Yes, because first of all, this is something you need for your health, and second of all, this is gonna help grow your business. I don't care what you do, you have to invest money to make money. I don't care what it is that you do. Some people just more skeptical because it's online, but listen, I don't get nobody telling me this is a scam. The other stuff I used to be in, it seemed like, oh, you know, overnight success, you make money now. No, this is 100% legit, and I love it. And we have products that absolutely work. So stop being afraid to invest in yourselves. The reason why some of y'all ain't where y'all want to be, because you're too scared to invest $1. You can't get money and cling on to it like, oh, no, I can't get, no. I got $5, let me hold on to it. I can't let it go. No, because if you act like that, ain't no money going to come through your hands. You got to freely let money flow through your hands. You know, give and you shall receive, right? Give, you know, give. I'm not saying give all your money away, but, you know, spend money, invest it in things that's going to help you, you know, give every now and then, you know what I mean? So you have to let money flow so it can flow back to you. So y'all need to let go of them $50, get started with your business today, get you the detox tea and the NutriBurst, and get started today. Get you the digital starter kit so you don't have to wait in the mail for your physical starter kit to come. It's the same thing. It's just one has physical samples and one has digital samples. You get the same thing. You get your purple book. You get everything the same. It's just one is digital and one is mailed to you. The digital one, you get started right away, okay? So I recommend you get you the digital starter kit and start your business. All the other businesses I've been in, I ain't never get nothing like this. I got this because I helped 5 people try, you know, these products. Whether they got the NutriBurst, the detox tea, whatever they got, I introduced them to TLC's products. And TLC said, you know what, Octavia, thank you for sharing my products with 5 people. Here's your extra bonus. Here's your free samples. Here's your G5 pen. And here's a certificate. So, you know, just to show our appreciation, you know. So this is the dopest company to be a part of, y'all. If you ain't in it yet, I don't know what you're doing. So, again, shout out to my team. Everybody's ranking up, getting binary. It's just awesome, amazing. This proves that this works. People who never worked online before, people who never made money online, come into business with me and they start making money online. And I feel great as their business partner, you know, their upline, their sponsor, whatever you want to call it, to know that I had something to do with that, okay? So I'm just super grateful to be a part of TLC. I love TLC. I'm not going anywhere. Me and TLC are like this. TLC is like this. When TLC wheels fall off, then that's when I go. Other than that, I ain't going nowhere. This is home for me. I'm not going nowhere. You know what I mean? Because TLC, this is a vehicle that's gonna open so many. This is a vehicle that's gonna open so many doors for me and my family, y'all. And I know it can open so many doors for you. So if you have any dreams, any goals, and things, big things you wanna achieve, write them down, vision them, see them every day, and get started with TLC. Because this is gonna be a vehicle that's gonna help you fund those dreams. If you have a job now, don't quit your job, but use your job to fund your dream. Use your job to invest in your business. Plenty of people do this part-time and still make good money. You know, plenty of people do it full-time and still make great money. So it totally depends on you, y'all. I recommend that you lock your spot and now get started. You know, find 2 people before you decide to get started. Or if you know you got 2 people, get started today, and then go hit up those 2 people like, hey, I just joined this business and this is the real deal. I want you to come and join me. You know, because you need 2 people to be binary qualified so you can unlock the residual income. Put one on your left, one on your right. Put your best friend, put your mama, put your sister, put your brother. You are not considered binary qualified, y'all. So, yeah, find 2 people who's ready to work, 2 people who may lost their jobs due to this pandemic, 2 people who may want to lose weight and make money. Just find you 2 people, and when you get started with me, click the link down below, and then go ahead and do the same thing. Get them enrolled. But once you message me, y'all, once you get started, send me a text message with the number below. As soon as you get started, hey, Octavia, I just got started. What should I do? What's next? You know, you can text me the number down below. You can write me on Instagram. You can write me on Facebook. But I recommend texting me so we can have a direct talk, direct, you know, conversation. So make sure you write me as soon as you get started so I can shout you out, welcome you to the team, to the family, and we can get you on a roll to starting your success, y'all. Just know it takes time. Things don't happen overnight, but I mean, I guarantee, just take your time. Things don't happen overnight, but you will. My goal is to help you make your investment back within 30 days or less. You know what I mean? It totally depends on you. If you're coachable, if you're teachable, if you can learn as you go, then you can definitely do this. You can follow directions. If you can read, you can do this, okay? So I'm excited for you guys. I'm excited for what's taking place here with TLC. And there's none like it, y'all. So I hope you guys have an awesome day. Tastes good. And I will see you guys later, y'all. Listen, if you just solely want to try the products, click the link down below and just go try the CBD tea NutriBurst. I'll put the link down below. And honestly, if the first 5 customers who purchase their CBD detox tea and NutriBurst, message me and show me proof that you purchased it, I'm gonna send you a free sample of something we call Slim AM. It's great for cardiovascular health. It's great for boosting your it's great for boosting your energy, and it's also great for blood flow. So that's called Slim AM. It's like a shake you put in here, shake it up and drink it. Or I will send you a meal replacement, which is called the Matrix. It's a vegan meal replacement. It's a vanilla shake. You can make a vanilla shake. You can make a smoothie. You can make pancakes with it. You can make muffins. Whatever you like is a meal replacement. So the first 5 people to go order their NutriBurst and their CBD detox tea, I will send you a free sample of that, y'all. So great morning. Let me finish getting my morning together, and I will see you guys later.